everyone, my name is Suyin, and today I wanted to film a video about the 3 basic banking mistakes that we tend to make as young individuals. Okay, let's begin. Started. So number 1 is pick your bank, meaning don't just go for banks that are your mom and dad's favorite or that you already have a youth account in. What you want to look for is a bank that really suits you as an individual and what fits you and your needs. For example, say you're looking for a bank that has the convenience of a lot of ATM machines around where you are, where you work, a bank that enables you to have good fixed deposit rates, or a bank that suits your savings needs, or a bank that allows you to trade in the stock market and they have good brokerage rates and things like that. So do your research when it comes to the banks, as every little service that the bank offer will be a little bit different, ranging from which bank that you choose. This kind of leads into my second point. And if you take anything away from this video at all, I would really recommend that you look into this, because it's going to make a big difference in your savings journey. So what I'm talking about here is interest. Interest being what the bank pays you for putting money into their bank. If you put your money into the bank, you are actually lending them money and you need to get something in exchange for that. We call that interest payments, and they are paid on a per annum basis, which means on a per year basis. And every bank does this very differently, so you want to look at savings accounts that actually pay you a good interest rate, because there are many banks out there that do not do you any justice whatsoever. So you want to look for savings accounts that do just this, and also what you want to look out for is terms and conditions that they place on you, where you need a certain amount, that you cannot move money here and there. If you do, then you get penalized, and then you don't qualify for that bonus interest rate. So you want to look out for all those nitty-gritty stuff when you do your research. And I can tell you that here in Malaysia, there are some bank accounts or savings accounts that are really good for us. And I have 2. One pays me 2% per annum and the other pays me 3.25% per annum. And obviously you have some terms and conditions, but I guess we can talk about that in a different video. But the last thing I want all of us to look out for are fees. And fees are something that they're quite common in all our banks, and they range from things like
credit card annual fees. There's also a government charge on credit card fees here in Malaysia for 25 ringgit per year. There are some that charge you debit card fees or ATM fees.
Okay, so I have this funny story, right? I put my money into the bank assuming that, it'll be safe, the value won't change. Put it in for 2 years and I just didn't care about it. I forgot about it. And when I went back to the bank to check out how my money was faring, I realized that I now had less due to fees. And let me show you. I got charged 10 ringgit and 40 cents as a dormant fee. So in the end, I was left with 239 ringgit 40 cents after 2 years of putting my money in the bank. The notion that putting your money in the bank so that it will grow or that it will maintain an amount, it doesn't necessarily apply all the time. So just be safe and be informed as well. So check out what you are using right now, and let's just say you want to consolidate. Go right ahead and see what will be a better fit for you. So I can say that I started off with 3 credit cards, and I want to avoid those 25 ringgit per year fees, and I just downsized to 1 credit card, and it does work for me. I don't need 3 credit cards because 1 works pretty well. And the bonus is that I also don't shop that much now. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful and that you learned something from this, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!